Hello everyone, now we are going to solve the next question. This is a question of GATE 2012. GATE 2012. So what is given in the question? A rigid link PQ of length 2 meter rotates about the pinned end Q. Let me consider a link PQ, and this is the pinned end Q, and the length of the link is 2 meter is given in the question. This is 2 meter with a constant angular acceleration of 12 radian per second. See, this is very important term. Constant angular acceleration. It may be retardation. Okay, it is acceleration, but it may be retardations. What is the important this term? I will let you know. When the angular velocity of the link is 4 radian per second. See, we know that if I'm talking about the tangential acceleration, this is r alpha. For example, the angular velocity direction is that is clockwise. For example, let us consider, because direction is not given here, so I will let you know the importance of direction here. If you consider the direction of angular velocity clockwise, you have to consider the same direction of angular acceleration, because it is acceleration. It is not retardation. If it was retardation, it would be opposite direction to that of angular velocity direction. But it is acceleration, that means it is along with the, it is having the same direction as that of angular velocity. So that means it is a 12 radian per second square. That's why I'm talking about the acceleration term. Okay. Magnitude of the resultant acceleration we have to calculate at the end of P. We all know that there is a tangential acceleration. Okay, and there will be a radial acceleration or the normal acceleration, and there will be a total acceleration in between them. So first we will calculate the tangential acceleration. What is the formula of tangential acceleration? Tangential acceleration at basically is equal to r into alpha. Radius is basically the length of this link, that is the 2 meter, and alpha is 12. So you will get 24 radian per second. If you draw the diagram accurately, then it is easy to solve the questions. And the normal acceleration would be equal to what? This is mr omega square. Sorry, this is r omega square, because we are talking about the acceleration. R omega square means r is 2 meter length and omega is 4 radian per second, that is square. So that would comes out to be 32 radian per second square. There will be a second square. Okay, so what would be the total acceleration? We know that both are perpendicular to each other, so that means total acceleration would be under root of a n square plus a t square. Okay, so from here you can get the value of total acceleration. A would be equal to under root of a n square. A n square means here you can see that 32 square, 32 square plus 24 square. So when you solve this, you will get the correct answer, and that would comes out to be 40 radian per second square. That would be the total acceleration. Okay, I hope you will understand the solution of that question. Okay,